In this video, we will show you multiple ways to troubleshoot a Nintendo Switch that won't turn on. First, plug it in to charge to check that the console battery isn't dead. Depending on how long the battery has been dead, it may need to stay on a charger for a few hours. If charging doesn't work, the console may need a soft reset. Unplug the console from a charger. Next, press down on the power button located on the top of the console for 15 to 20 seconds. Then, press it once to turn it on regularly. If all else fails, call Nintendo support or go to support.nintendo.com for further assistance. If the console is still within its warranty, it could be repaired at no extra cost.